The 2022 annual conference of Financial Street Forum kicks off in Beijing on Monday. Themed Forge Ahead Toward a Shared Future, Economic Development and Financial Cooperation Amid Changes, the three-day event discusses challenges and opportunities in the global economy.
This year's forum features topics including high-quality development, empowering the real economy, serving rural revitalization, high-level opening up, and fintech innovation. Overseas business leaders and investors attending the event hail China's economic and financial achievements and express confidence in its bright future.
Historic changes have taken place in China's financial system. A modern financial sector has been developed and open to the world, underpinned by international standards of supervision and regulation. This in turn has supported China's phenomenal growth and economic development.
Stepping back over the last 30 years, we've seen great progress. China's financial sector has become more open in terms of market access and the lifting of foreign ownership requirements. Consequently, we continue to see improvements in the institutionalization of China's capital markets.
For me, there is nothing stronger, more effective, more concrete than investment and operational cooperation to bring civilization together. Europe and China have shared interests, and we intend that our joint fund will be one of the major vectors of this strengthened cooperation.
Created in 2012, the Financial Street Forum has been upgraded as a state-level and international industry forum since 2020. During this year's event, the establishment of the Financial Street think tank will be initiated. A new Financial Development Index and a report on expediting National Financial Management Center construction will also be released during the annual conference.